Hello friends, welcome to my channel. We are in series of bag making. In this episode I am going to show you how to make this multi-zipper bag. Let's start. First we have to take outside fabric. Here I have taken a material called micro. It's a waterproof material. So I have taken 17 inches width and then the length is 10 inches. 10 plus 10, 20. Since our material is in double color, so I have taken white and black combination fabric. It's 5 inches with the same width. As usual, we need to take two linings. One is for making back to be stiff, the other one is to cover those two. The same way even we need to take for the down piece. Before we start stitching the bag, first we need to stitch handles for this bag. So here I have taken 48 inches of the length and 4 inches of the width of the outside material, and also same way lining, but the width of the lining is only 2 inches. Now we need to start stitching the handles. So we need to place the lining inside and just fold it like this and make a stitch. We have finished stitching the handles. You can see here they are very strong and thick. Now we need to attach the handles to this part. So for that I am just going to mark 2.5 inches from the center so that it will be a 5 inches in the middle. So just make a knots to place equally. Place handle equally. So now just place a handle and then make a stitch. I have finished stitching the handles. You can see here I have finished both the sides. Now I want to keep some show buttons. These buttons we don't only use for show, but also these buttons make the handle more stronger. I have finished fixing the buttons. You can see here. Now we need to make front pockets. So place the zip in between these two materials, that means lining and outside fabric, and make a stitch. Once you finish normal stitching, then turn it and just stitch on the top of it so that the zip will stand properly. I have finished stitching both the sides. You can see here. Now we need to attach zip for this down part. So the same way, place the zip in between this outside material and the lining and make a stitch. Once you finish stitching, turn it and make a stitch on the top of it as we did for previous one. Fix the runner joining these two zips. Now close the edges so that the zip will be secure. So do it for 4 sides. Now we need to take one more lining for inside. So for that we need to measure the length of the bag. So it is 30 inches. So while we are taking the lining, we need to take 26 inches. Other 4 inches we are going to take 2 inches and one side and the other 2 inches for the other side. Now we need to attach the zip for inside the lining. So just place the lining in between these two materials and make a stitch. We have finished attaching the zip for inside the lining. Now we need to make a pocket, inside pocket. So for that I am just going to attach the zip. So I have finished attaching the zip. So this pocket we are going to place here around 1 inch down and then make a stitch. We are done with attaching the pocket, you can see here. Yeah. Now we need to place the lining on the top of this outside material, so it's now in the same size, and now make a stitch and just attach it. We have finished stitching, attaching the lining to the main part. Now we need to stitch sides. One side we need to stitch completely. Now we need to fix the runner. After fixing the runner, we are going to close the other side also, but this time we are just going to leave little place to turn the bag. We have finished stitching both the sides, you can see here. Now we need to bring the bag into shape. For that I am just marking 1.5 inch square from the corner and cutting. So we have to do for 4 sides. So we can see here I already have cut. Now we need to just join this and make a stitch. I have finished stitching 3 corners, you can see. From the 4th side we are going to turn the bag. After turning the bag, we need to close even that little part we left for turning. This also I have finished closing. So now push the lining inside and make a secure stitch. First stitch on the top of it. We need to stitch around. Friends, we are done with the bag. You can see here we have 2 side pockets, that means the front pockets, and 1 main part, you can see, and then we have inner part also. So friends, I hope this video would have helped you. So if you like my video, please share with your friends and comment if you have any doubts.